Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 20 of our Django playlist. Here we will learn about Django seed. Okay, so before learning it, let's understand how to generate fake data. How to generate fake data. Or if I ask you what are the ways to generate fake data, how many ways we have discussed? So by using faker module, we can generate fake data by using faker module, and we can do customization like we have done for the phone number in previous video, like how we generated the phone number. We can do the customization in order to generate the fake data. So we can say add our own customized code by using random module. Okay, so there are two ways. Okay, one is we can use faker module. Another one is we can use random module. So random module with customization, we can generate the fake data. Okay. And there is another way. There is another way also there. Another way to generate fake data. Okay. So what is this? So this way is, okay. So what is another way? We can use Django seed. Okay, with the help of Django seed, we can generate fake data. Okay, so what are the steps? Steps for using Django seed. Steps to using Django seed. So what is the first step? So the first step is pip install Django seed. Okay, first we require to download install this Django seed. Okay, and what is the second step? Add Django seed in settings.py. Okay, add app. Okay, we will create app now, test app. So we will add test app and Django seed in settings.py. So this is our way. So let's do it. Okay, let me open a folder. Okay, this is what P11. Okay, P11 already there. So it could be P12. Okay, so on this location we have to create our folder. So let me just copy the path, copy path, and open this in CMD. So CD is okay. So we are in P12 folder. Now let's create the project. So Django admin start project. Okay, what is the project name? Seed project. Okay, I'm giving project name is seed project. Okay, so seed project is created. Okay, seed project is created. Now create the application. So go to inside the seed project. Now create the app py manage.py start app. What is the app name? Test app. So as you can see, test app is created. Now what is another step? Now we have to install Django seed. Okay, so here I will write pip install Django seed. Okay, so yes, so this is how we can install Django seed. And after that, what we have to do, add app and Django seed in settings.py. So we have already created app, okay, and Django seed also we have installed. Go to the settings.py of the project and add. What we have to add, just add here test app, and one more thing is Django seed, Django underscore seed. Okay, why we are using this Django seed? We are using this Django seed to generate the fake data. Okay, this is the third way we are using in order to generate the fake data, right? And after that, what we have to do, configure the database connection with my SQL. Okay, so we are going to use here MySQL. So we have to configure the database connection. Okay, so how we will configure? Go to the settings.py of the project settings, and here is the database. So here we will create, here we will use MySQL. So we are writing here MySQL. What is the database name? Database we haven't created yet. So we will create the database first, then we will give the database name. Okay, so just delete this. It is asking database name. So let's create the database. Okay, this is my SQL. Okay, MySQL command line. Open the MySQL command line. Enter the password. The default password is root, but my password is 123. Okay, show databases. Okay, so these are the databases. I have to create one database for the fake data, seed fake data. So I will create database seed db. Okay, what is my database name? Seed db. Okay. Hmm, what is the problem? Create database. Okay, the spelling wrong. Okay, here spelling is wrong. So that's why. Seed db. Okay, so database is created. Now show the database. Show databases. So it is showing us seed db. Okay, so we will use this seed db. Okay, so yes. Now what is our database name? Seed db. Okay, seed db is done. Now what we have to do? What is the user? Username is root. By default, the username is what? Root. What is the password? The default password is root, but my password I have changed. So my password is 123. Now it is asking host. What is the host? Host is localhost. And what is the port number for the database? So the port number for the database is 3306. Okay, this is a port number. Okay, this is how we can configure our database. Okay, after that, after configuring the database, what we have to do? Now database is created, but there is no table inside the database. If you will write the command show tables, so it will show empty. So in order to create the table, we will go to the models. Inside the test tab, we will go to the models. So what we have to do basically, go to the models.py, create models or table in the inside the database. Okay, so models.py is there, and here we will create one table. What's the table name? I mean, table means class we will create, Python code we will write. The class student and model is a module, model is a class, right? And after that, what we have to do, we have to create some fields like roll number, like name, as we have done in previous videos. Same we will do, but we will generate data by seed db. So for it is good for practice purpose. Phone number we will generate. This time we will not write our own customization for phone numbers. We will not generate Indian phone number. We will generate phone number common for all countries. Mean all countries phone number it will display an address. Okay. So here let me do multiple cursor, alt and click and give equals to models. Okay. And after that we have to mention the fields. So here what I will do, integer field. Okay. First one is integer field, and if it's the name field means this is a character field. So we have to mention the max length also. So max length is what, like 30. Okay, max length is 30, and this is date field. Marks is integer field, and email is what, email field, and phone number is what, phone number, what we can do, character field. Okay, we are writing here character field. Okay, so what is the max length? Max length is 30. Why we are giving here character field? Because it contains symbols like plus symbols or some country code. So that's why we are making it character field. We are not using random module to generate our own customized phone number, but whatever phone number given by the seed, it will accept. So we are designing the table structure, like which column can contain what type of value. So this phone number can contain character field type of values, and then address is what, text field. Okay, we are just defining the structure of the table. Okay, so but it's still, if you will fire the query show tables, it will not show any table. Why? Because this table code we have to convert into the SQL code. So convert it into SQL by writing make migration py manage.py make migrations. Okay, s, don't forget s. Okay, okay, we have to go into the seed project folder, cd seed project. Okay, now type the command manage.py make migrations. Okay, so okay, it will convert our code into SQL code. So our code is converted into the SQL code. So we'll be able to see the tables. No, still it is not showing. Why? Because our code is converted into SQL, but our SQL code is not executed yet. So in order to execute the respective SQL code, we will write py manage.py migrate. So migrate command is responsible to execute the generated SQL code. So it will execute the SQL code, okay, which is generated by make migration command. Okay, so press enter. So it is executing our SQL code. Okay, and tables are creating. Okay, so all the tables created. Now check the command. Now fire the command show tables. So this time it is showing the table, and this is our actual table, and these are the supported table created by Django, and this table is created by us. See, if I write here describe test tab underscore student. Okay, so it is describing the columns. It is describing each columns of the table, right? Okay, now see how it is generating fake data, how it will generate fake data actually. Okay, so this is how we have created this model class. Nothing but we have created table in database. Now let me just paste it here, this code. Okay, next is what we have to do. We have to register this. Okay, we have to register this table in admin panel. Why? Because so that we can see. Okay, so means we want to see this table in what admin interface. So what we will do, register model class in admin.py. Okay, so go to the admin.py. Okay, where is the admin? Inside the test tab there is admin.py. So inside the admin.py we have to register our application. So how we will register our application? First we need to create admin class. Okay, what's the class? Student admin. Okay, student is our class name and admin. So this is our admin class we are creating, and here we will write admin dot model admin, right? Admin dot model admin, right? Okay, after that we will create one variable list underscore display, right? And here we will write all the fields, whatever we have created in model class. Okay, so these fields name we have to write roll number, name, okay, like that, in single quote. So roll number, make sure you're writing correct spelling. Then after that name, and what is another, DOP, and what is another, marks, and another email, another one is phone number, what is another, address. Okay, so these many fields we have written here in list as well. Okay, after that what we have to do, okay, so after that we have to register this list. Okay, so how we will register? Admin dot site dot register. Okay, so first what is the table name? Student table. And then what is the second table? Student student admin. Okay, so see, it is accepting this student admin, but it is not accepting student. It is showing warning. Why it is showing warning? Because student admin is available, this class is available, but student class is not available here. So this student class is available inside the models.py. Okay, so what we will do, this model.py we will import inside what, admin.py. So from test tab, so models.py available in test tab folder, test tab models, import student, right? So now warning gone now. So after that what we will do, once register, register successfully, after that create super user. Okay, so how to create the super user means we will write py manage.py create super user. Okay, so it is asking username, I'm writing here most and most@gmail.com, and password is 123. Again password is 123. It is saying password is not strong, so yes, no issue. Okay, so super user created successfully. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to start a server. Okay, py manage dot, okay, I'm executing it from here cmd py manage dot py run server. Okay, so this is the previous application date. So ignore this. So my application is running. Okay, so yes, now we have to go to the admin. Okay, it is asking username Muhammad, password is 123, login. Okay, so student table is there, and inside the student table no record is there. So these fields are coming but records are not there. So how we will insert the record? So we already installed seed, and we have configured it in settings.py here. Okay, we have added already Django seed. So what we can do now, we will fire one query. Okay, so what we have to do after creating super user, insert record into database, right? Database table. Okay, so how we can insert the record? So we will fire one query. What's the query? py manage.py seed. Okay, seed. After that, application name test app. After this, dash number. Okay, and after that you have to mention how many records you want to enter. I want to enter one record, so that's why I'm writing here one. So it is showing seeding one student. So one student inserted. Let's refresh this. So it is displaying. Okay, what about here in MySQL database? So just write select star. How you will fetch? Select star from test app underscore student. So it is displaying this one record. Okay, if you want to insert more than one record, so simply fire this query once again. Py manage.py seed app seed test app hyphen hyphen. Here you can write 100. So now this time 100 records will be entered. Okay, now refresh it. So you can see hundreds of records entered. Okay, if you want to see here also, so just see here 100 records has been inserted. All right, so this is how we can generate data with seed. So we have seen how many ways? Three ways. So one is faker module. Second is customized code we can do with the help of random module. Okay, with the help of random module, we can customize the code and we can generate the fake data. Another way is to generate a fake data with the help of Django seed. Okay, so there are three ways we have understood, we have learned. Okay, so guys, practice everyone, and if you have completed this, so paste the code. Paste which code you will paste. I'm just giving you one target. What you have to do, you have to paste this installed app code in comment box. So I will be understood like you guys completed this video as well as you have created the project, because by watching this video only there is no use. This value will not be helpful for you if you will only watch this video. So just practice along with me. Okay, practice the code, and whatever code you are writing, just paste inside the comment. And what you can do next, in previous video I have already told you how we can fetch this records with the help of view function, and how we can show this record to the end user. So this activity you can do. You can extend one activity. What you need to do, just go to the URL. In URL you will create one endpoint. Okay, whenever user will write the endpoint here, the request will come here. From here the request will go to the views. Okay, in views you will write the code to fetch the records. Okay, objects dot all, nothing but objects dot all you will write. After that, from views, you will send the request to the HTML page. You will create one HTML page. So, and with the help of HTML page, you can display the record. Okay, in views, you will send one dictionary, and that dictionary you can, uh, what we can say, you can use that dictionary data in HTML in order to show the records. All right. So I hope you are understanding. If you're not understanding, watch my previous two videos, then you will get idea. Alright, thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you understood how we can generate the fake data using Django Seed. So if you have any doubt, you can write comments. Alright, thank you.